Hi there. Today I'd like to tell you about few things that are related to art workshops that start in January and are all about expressing our emotions creatively and also expressing the current energies that are present in our collective field and in our bodies when it comes to energies and archetypes of Zodiac and sub archetypes of each of the signs. So now we are in Capricorn, which is more about grounding. It's earth energy, it's about grounding, it's about building structures. It's connected to Saturn and its energy. And in January, we still at the beginning of January, when the first workshop comes, we still will be in Capricorn. So we will be definitely, we'll be exploring our emotions, our current state, and dominate emotion in our life. But also we will be working through. We will be like filtering those emotions through the current themes, which most likely will be something about ambition, achievements, and stuff like that. So we will see how our minds tries to trick us into achieving something just for the sake of feeling better. Yeah. And then how when we create from our heart, when we use the same fuel of that greed for achievement, when we use that for the service of ourselves and the world and people, then how that turns into aspired action. Okay, and today I'd like to. This is, you can sign up to my workshops. There's only £20 for January workshops when you sign up before 31st of December, which is in a couple of days. But today I'd like to give you like a taster of that. So basically, first, anytime we want to express ourselves creatively when it comes to emotions, my process is like to just calm down, take some breaths, and just basically ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? Ask your body, how you feeling right now. When you get any sensations, any visions, any energy flowing through your body, then you can start asking for what color is it, where is it placed in your body, what shape it is. Ask all sorts of questions, and you may start seeing like visions in your eye, in your mind's eye, and you may start seeing something completely unrelated, and then you can take it and either paint it, draw it, sketch it, if you prefer, or write a poem or write a story about it. Use your emotions, and if you know anything about archetypes and zodiac signs, archetypes of zodiac signs, then you can weave those two things together, and that's what we will be doing during the workshops. And it looks like I have quite a few people interested in the workshops, but it may be tricky to gather everyone together. So I'm thinking, and this will also deepen mine and your connection, when I'm thinking of doing this one-to-one. I have 3 evenings, so from around 5th to 7th of January, we can schedule a call, or even a few days later. Depends on how many people will be and if I'm going to be doing this one-to-one. So that's going to be like one evening, one person. And so I think that I feel that this will be, at least for a starter, will be a great thing to do, because we can then get to know each other better, and I hope I can serve you better this way, when I can focus more on things going on in your life when it comes to emotions and creativity, because this is all about also about recognizing where the inner critic and self-sabotage hold you back from expressing yourself freely, creatively, and emotionally as well. Yeah. So so that's it for today, and I hope it makes sense. If you like to sign up for the workshops, please leave me a comment or find me on Facebook. I will put the link down in the description to this video, and I'll speak to you soon. And yeah, so observe your emotions, and the more self-aware we become, the more easier life flows through us, and more vital we become. Yeah, peace.